Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you to the HiQuick AAA and AA battery charger with 8 bays plus as you like, AAA rechargeable battery pack or AA rechargeable battery pack, or both of course as you like. Low self-discharge and multiple cycles. The eco-friendly battery possesses low self-discharge performance that can maintain 80% power after 3 years of non-use, and it can be recharged up to 1,200 times, equivalent to hundreds of disposable batteries. This is planet-friendly. And environmental protections. It don't contain HGCD or PB materials, and it's more environmentally friendly than usual batteries. It's a good idea to save resources and protect the environment. And fast charging in few hours. The independent 8-bay charger can freely fast charge 128 AA or and AAA Ni-MH or and Ni-CD rechargeable batteries in ones. It can fully charge our 8 AAA batteries in 5 hours and fully charge our 8 AA batteries in only 6 hours, which can save our charging time. And convenient ports and intelligent LCD screen. The charger designed with an USB and Type-C interface, which provides two choices for us. The visualized smart LCD screen allows us to know the charging status of the battery at any time. And advanced charging protection. This charger could effectively prevent overcharge, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheat, short circuit during charging. And the charger could also detect and stop charging incompatible batteries. And, of course, it is possible to recharge the best side of the battery size. That means nickel metal hydride batteries. NiMH, okay, is a type of rechargeable battery. The chemical reaction at the positive electrode is similar to that of the nickel-cadmium cell, the NiCd, with both using nickel oxide hydroxide. However, the negative electrodes use a hydrogen-absorbing alloy instead of cadmium. The Ni-MH batteries can have 2 or 3 times the capacity of NiCd batteries of the same size, with significantly higher energy density, although much less than lithium-ion battery. They are typically used as a substitute for similar-shaped non-rechargeable alkaline batteries, as they feature a slightly lower but generally compatibly cell voltage and are less prone to leaking and explosion. And you can recharge your nickel metal hydride batteries in this charger here. Also, at the same time as you like, you can recharge a nickel-cadmium battery. An NiCd, this is a type of rechargeable battery using nickel oxide hydroxide and metallic cadmium as electrodes. The abbreviations NiCd is derived from the chemical symbols of Ni, nickel, and Cd, cadmium. The abbreviation NiCad is a registered trademark of SAFT Corporation, although this brand name is commonly used to describe all NiCd batteries. You can see the nickel-cadmium batteries are nearly sold out in Europe, and they will not come back. But the nickel metal hydride batteries are still the top of the battery top here. And both devices, both battery types, you can recharge there. Also, you can recharge the size the AA battery size, okay? This is a standard size single cell cylindrical dry battery. The IAC, a 60086 system, calls this size the R6, and the ANSI C18 calls it 15. OMG. So I think it's better to say it's AA, okay? AA, the good old AA. An AA battery are common in portable electronic devices. An AA battery is composed of the single electrochemical cell that may be either a primary battery. And you can recharge AAA batteries with it. No problem for AAA. This is the AAA battery. It's a standard size of dry cell batteries. One or more AAA batteries are commonly used in low-drain portable electronic devices. You can recharge these two sizes in that device. In the HiQuick, HiQuick battery charger with 8 bays. And you can recharge them easily. You can see the status of recharging. You can see the status of your battery. You will use it. 2 HiQuick AA batteries with 1100 mAh, 1.2 hours. Recharged. 1100 mAh, 8 HiQuick AAA batteries, 5 hours. 2 HiQuick AA batteries, 2800 mAh. This is a lot, 1.6 hours. This is fast. 8 HiQuick AA batteries with 2800 mAh, 6 hours. Full recharged. That's it is how it works. If you like to recharge only 2, this is faster than recharge 8 of them, okay? So take your time, get it in position, and let them stay there, and you can use them every time full recharged. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.